Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, so I just spent like an inordinate amount of time cleaning half of this room. I guess most of that time wasn't actually spent cleaning. A lot of it was spent watering plants, which I do in the bathtub. So carrying them back and forth to and from the bathtub and watering them and organizing them and reorganizing them when I decided that I wasn't optimizing light well enough with how I had them, or I didn't like the way they looked, or both. But as you can see, the other half of this room is still a mess. Probably, and I'm going to try to clean that today. But probably the main thing that I reorganized to give myself more space and allow more light to get to this shelf was I moved all my begonias from this shelf here to the top shelf. And I had a bunch of trailing plants on the top shelf, which made it really annoying to try to get to that shelf because all of their tendrils were in the way. And they also blocked the light to that shelf. So I moved all of these guys, onto this rack over here. And yeah, it's hot, isn't it? It is a gorgeous shelf. I love trailing plants. I need to water this exotica. I didn't water that one when I was watering all the stuff. This neon pothos is kind of droopy still. He was thirsty. Give him a drink, he'll be fine. But yeah, as I mentioned, I need to get around to this side of the room today, clean up, and I need to do some maintenance on my wall. Everything definitely needs watered, but I'm pretty excited that I have quite a few things starting to recover and throw out some new growth. I have a new leaf on my varicosum and another one coming in. My silver stripe starting to grow again. I'm hoping that this one will throw some more highly variegated leaves. My Peru is doing well. That's a new leaf since I got it. And then this is also new growth since I got it. My Calathea orbifolia is unrolling another leaf. These brandy cuttings, one's starting to grow a leaf. I got, this is melanochrysum, whatever. I got some cuttings of this a while ago, and this is like the slowest rooting thing in history, and it makes me crazy, and I really don't like slow growing things all that much, so hopefully it'll start growing faster. But I got these coleus cuttings, which are also stunning, for free the other day. And I'm pretty sure that coleus do that thing that like willow and Tradescantia, and I think some pothos actually do it as well, where they exude a hormone from their roots that encourages other plants to root faster. So I'm going to put these cuttings in with those melanochrysums and hope that they do stuff faster. Got a new leaf coming on gloriosum up there. Just, yeah, all these like little stowaway alocasias that I had in various pots and stuff are doing pretty well. I really enjoy alocasias. My clarinurium is growing a new leaf. Okay, so I'm getting distracted by this wall. So, and what I was trying to do was talk about this area. So let me grab my handy dandy step ladder and show you some things that I got going on over here. Excuse me, egg dog, you're about to get hit with a ladder. Okay. So first I wanted to show you this because this is the first time I've done this. But I got some black pagoda lipstick, whatever. I don't know what this thing is called. The other day, one of them was rooted. The other ones were just cuttings, but hopefully they'll root. And I stuck them in the bottom of the pot and put dirt on top of them. So hopefully they'll get like long and cool and stuff coming out of the bottom of the pot. So this is like a tray of random guppies. and cuttings and stuff, and I need to figure out that whole situation because I want this space back for plants, not plastic trays. It's caladium. I love this caladium. It is gorgeous. Someone told me it was Blushing Bride or something of that, something similar to that. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert at caladiums. I just think they're very pretty. There's an Anuc I just got recently. There's like a bunch of cuttings and props on this shelf. Just gonna do a quick pan. This is a Cryptanthus. This thing is freaking cool. It's a Maharani. It's a Calathea musaica that someone from our local plant group picked up for me at Whole Foods just the other day. I was pretty stoked about that. I had one already, but it was much smaller, and I wanted a big full pot of it. ZZ's division is growing some more stuff. I have a raven back there, and he's got like water spots on him and doesn't look, I'm like, don't like him as much as I think I could because he looks dirty and I want him to be blacker, and I think I'd like him more. Hoya Wayetii, which is this the only Hoya I have? I think this is the only Hoya I have, but I thought he was pretty cool, so grabbed him. There's Zabrina back there. The Zabrina's putting up a new leaf. It's my pot of various, I don't think I've ever bought a peperomia, but people give me leaf cuttings, and these things they go bananas. They prop so well. There's a white fusion that a friend picked up for me from a nursery recently. Pretty stoked about that because I hate leaving my house, not just because of COVID reasons, but just because that's who I am as a person. This Ficus elastica Tiniki is sold in pending pickup. The lady paid for it like 2 weeks ago and still never came to get it. So it'll just be pretty here, I guess. Okay, so oh wait, just kidding. I got some strings. Let me position myself for lighting reasons. Oh, can't turn my phone. String of bananas, string of pearls. Got some of these IKEA hanging pots. Look at this mandula. Bananas. And look how cute this is. These are exposure locked. I don't know what that means. What did I do? Oh, let's just click that button again. These are all potted. Most of my other ones, well, the Tradescantia up there, those are in pots. But this is no drainage, just pothos and dirt. These are all in pots. Look how cute that is. Spider plant and some begonias. Heartleaf philodendron. Again, no drainage, just dirt and planted right in there in the hangers. I have 3 of them. And then I have macrame hanger with Tradescantia. This is my cat's litter box. Well, there's a litter box in that box. Put that box in a bigger box. Put that box in another box. And smash it. Alright, let's get up and see these begonias because they are my babies. I hit my head. Oh, jeez. I hit my head on one of these moving fan blades earlier today. Scared the crap out of me. So begonias are okay in lower light. They like lower light for their, if you want them to get their like dark and moody, deep colors, you gotta give them lower light. So I figured, you know what? I'll put them on this top shelf. It doesn't get that much light. And it mostly just reflects off the white ceiling and walls, and I'll give myself some more space. Which, like, I can't really see them all the way up here, unless I come visit them, like I am now. But my corner, my baby. Oh, look. You can see bird's eye view stuff. My house. That playpen looks enormous. Okay, so that's all for now until I clean the other side of this room, and I'll go over how I care for and maintenance that planted wall. I'll talk a little bit about some things that I wish I had done differently in terms of how I set it up, where I got the pockets, what that frame is, and how it came into being, and all that good stuff. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.